Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on Xiaomi 14T Pro. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll a bit down and go into security and privacy. Now go into privacy and permission manager. Now select the kind of permission that I would like to access. Let's say permission to access the calendar, and these apps are allowed, these are not allowed. If you would like to change it for some app, just tap on the app and change it to allow or back to don't allow. Also, you can do it by the app, not by the kind of permissions. So let me go back into settings and now go into apps, manage apps. Now let's say calendar, permission, app permissions. And as you can see, calendar is allowed to access calendar, contacts and notifications, but it's not it doesn't have permission to access the location and phone. If you would like to change it, it's the same way as I showed it earlier. So just tap here or again here. Also, if you tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on all permissions, you're going to see very specific kind of permissions that this app may access. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.